Hello, welcome to the first week of our online calculus class. And I wanted to take a few minutes right now just to walk through kind of what the expectations were for the week and where you'll find everything. So I'm actually not readily available today, April 6th, because I have been in Arizona for a little over a week as my mother has passed away. I sent you guys an email earlier. And my sisters and I have been helping our father kind of figure some things out. And so, because I'm in Arizona, I am not actually flying back until late tomorrow. I will spend the day kind of monitoring email and things like that, but I will be headed out back to Minneapolis late tomorrow. I will have access to both my iPad and my dad's old computer, so I can answer emails, but I really don't have any abilities to do decent video conferencing, so my plan wasn't to do anything with that until on Tuesday. But just so you know, if your other classes are starting that way, that's why I'm not. But again, but starting tomorrow, you do have some calculus stuff that you have to get done. So even though I'm not around actively on Monday, you still have assignments for Monday through Thursday of this week, and Thursday is the end of quarter three. And by Thursday, you will have had to finish the assignments and the quiz as part of your grade for quarter three. So when you go to our first page of Canvas, there are going to be some key pieces that you need to look at on Canvas. Okay, so some of the key pieces to look at on Canvas are going to be announcements. So the announcements for every day will be posted there. You will want to go to, oh, it's slightly different here. You can't see it all the way at the top, but right above top, there'll be modules. Okay, so you're going to go to this page. Our general schedule will be linked here, and it is not completely updated because it depends on how things are going. But this is where I have my planning piece. For the week of April 6th through the 9th, these are the things that you need to accomplish. And the requirement is that you do and submit each one of these. If you skip one of them, you cannot go to the next one. So the first thing you need to do is watch a video and take notes. And the ending date on that is April 7th. The video is pretty short. Taking notes is pretty short. And I believe there's a little Canvas quiz on there that's also pretty short. Okay. Second thing you need to do is there is a Canvas quiz on limits and using algebra, and that is due on the 8th. You'll notice that the last day of the quarter is the 9th. Okay. The next thing to do is a review worksheet, and that is due also on April 8th. Your assignment for April 9th is to finish this quiz. This quiz is actually graded as a quiz. You will be allowed to use your notes. Let's erase that. Sorry, you'll be allowed to use your notes. You'll be allowed to use a calculator. You will have to upload your work, and it is timed. Okay, as you know, my quizzes are made to be finished within 30 to 40 minutes, but I allow you 60 minutes on this quiz because I do want you to upload all of your work. Unsupported work will get limited credit, which means no more than 50% credit. So always make sure that you're showing me that stuff. Okay, as part of that, you might have some questions along the way, and I'm not readily available on Monday, and so you have some questions. A couple of things you can do is that there is a Canvas discussion page in which you can open up right here, and there'll be a different discussion page for each week. You can post a question, other students can answer the question, or I can answer the question. When I have this set up for us, I will have a Canvas conference time set up for us during our class time that you can follow. The last thing, of course, is you can always email me. Okay, and I will get back to you as soon as I can on that. Alrighty, the very last thing. This is my mom and dad's little schnauzer here, and he wishes all of you health and happiness, and hopes that everything is going well for you and your families. I am trying to make this as low, as low stress as possible for you by having everything planned out for the week. Every week will end on a quiz, so just make sure that you have everything done up until that last day of the week. This week it's Thursday because Friday is a grading day. So please make sure that you're completing everything up until that quiz. So if you work really fast and you're ready for the quiz will not be open until that last day, and it again is open for those 60 minutes. Okay? Good luck. Have a great day.